Hello everyone and welcome back to another baking video. I'm Jordan and today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. Some things you will need for today include flour, baking soda, salt, cornstarch, butter, sugar, brown sugar, vanilla, and eggs. Make sure you preheat your oven to 410 degrees before you start. That way it can be preheated by the time you're ready to bake. We are going to start off by mixing together our dry ingredients. So in this bowl here, I have a cup and a fourth of flour. I have a half teaspoon of baking soda. I have a half teaspoon of salt, and I have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Next, we will begin by mixing our wet ingredients together. So to start off our wet ingredients, we are going to cream our butter because you have to use 1 stick of cold butter cubed, so that way it gives the cookies more shape when we bake them. Once we are done with that, we are going to add in our sugars. We have 6 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 6 tablespoons of brown sugar. And we're gonna mix those together. Then we are going to add our half teaspoon of vanilla and our egg to the mixture, and then we're gonna mix that together. Now we are going to add our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients and mix that all together. And then finally, we're gonna add our chocolate chips. The recipe we followed today is a copycat of the famous New York Levain bakery, which is also the reason why we have the oven temperature so high. I know that 410 is an atypical chocolate chip cookie temperature, but that is because it allows the outside to cook faster than the inside, so the outside gets a nice crispy touch, while the inside will be nice and gooey on the inside. So when we break it apart, we see that gooiness of the cookie. It's beautiful. I did overbake mine a little bit. I would recommend only baking about 10 minutes. 10 to 11 minutes. I did 12, which was too much, but what do we do? So now we will have our taste test. It's very good. I would highly recommend this recipe. And thank you for watching, and tune in next time.